This week on NCTV, we continue our series on the history of America's capital cities. Next on the list, Charleston, West Virginia. Plus, Nan Montgomery shows us how to make a tasty peach cobbler on our NCTC recipe of the month. You can watch both each day at 6:30 in the morning and at 12:30 in the afternoon. You can also tune in at 5 and 9 on Monday and Wednesday evenings. Only on NCTV, your best source for local stories about local people.
I've got my teaspoon, and I'm just going to